Hi everyone, so let's solve this new interesting question of Leetcode. So in this question we are going to uh, solve this, and today I will show you this question by solving it, right? I have just solved it, and I have not used any of the hint. Please believe me, I have not used any of the hint because this question is looking like medium, but this question must be of easy type because there is only one thing in this question that we need to understand, and if we got that thing, then this question is very easy. So let's start. Let's see what is the demand of this question and what is the ask of this question and how we can solve it. So in this question, let me stop this first. I used to listen these music while coding. So in this question, we have given a string. Okay, we have given a string, something like this. Now we have to uh, let's say we have a string s. Okay, we have given a string s. Now what the and we can remove any number of characters from it. We can remove any number of characters from it, but on some conditions. We can remove the characters on some conditions. For example, so first condition is if we have a string. Okay, if we have a character, so we have to choose a character, and we have to check if there is at least one similar character to the left of that particular character. For example, if we take the first string a b, a c b, c b b, so this string is given to us, so we can remove those character. For example, like so we can choose any of the index. Yes, we can choose any of the index in the string, and that particular index character have at least one character on the left, that means similar character on the left, and at least one similar character on the right. For example, here we have a. So a is like we can choose a because it have at least one character on the left and at least one character on the right. So we can choose a, and then we can remove. Here we can see delete the closest character on the left of that chosen ith index character and delete the closest character right. For example, if I choose this one, this a, so I can delete a, this one a, and this one a. So after deleting, what we have b a, c b, c double b, right? So in the same way, we have to, like, we can do any number of operations, and we have to find the minimum length of the final string. So initially this question is looking typical. Why? Because we have to choose a character and we have to check if if uh, if there is any character on the left, similar character on the right left, or and similar character on the right. So some of you start thinking that uh, we have to start traversing it, and we have to use stack or something else. Like we have to store, if we have a, how many a we have on the left, then we have to store uh, or 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 someone of you are thinking that we have to find occurrence of each character from the left and from the right also. But here is the trick. The trick is you don't need to provide the string, you have to provide the length of the string. Okay, so it doesn't matter that what is the string in the end after deleting some of the characters. According to the condition, what is the string, we only require the length. Now here is the trick. The trick is, here you can see we can remove any of the characters, any number of characters. It means if we have 4a, right, here we can see we have 4b, right. We can't remove 3b from here, because if we choose this b, then this b and this b got removed. Once they are removed, we have a c b c b, right. Now you can't remove any number of b, because if you choose this b, there is no any b on the left of this chosen character. So the condition is there must be at least on the one on the left and one on the right. It means here you can see, okay, let's say we have 5 a, so here we have 3, let's say one we have here and one we have here. Now tell me how many characters we have after removing the characters in the end. I'm talking about only the character a. So when we remove when we choose this character, we can remove this one and this one. So we will have a, we will have b, a c b, b a c b, b a c b, c b, a b a. We will have this in the end, right. Now now the uh, uh, now if we choose this character, this a, we can remove this a and this a. It means, so it is like then we have b c b, b c b and c b a b. We will have this. It means the simple thing is, you can see, if we have 4 characters, frequency of any character is 4, then we are getting 2 in the end, 2 remaining characters. And if we have 5 characters or 3 characters, we have only 1 character in the end. Frequency of particular character will be 1. It means the simple thing is, if the frequency if the frequency of any character is odd, then after the operations we will have only one occurrence remained. And if we have even frequency, then we have 2 in the end after the operations. So easy. अब पूरा easy हो गया. कैसे? Let's see. Let me code it first. So we will create a map. First of all, we will create a map where we store the frequency of each character, right? So let's see. Let me create a map first. So in this map we are going to store, now let's say the length of a string will be, we are going to store that in the n. Now we have to traverse it, we have to traverse the whole array. So how we do that? Int I equals to 0, I is more than n I plus plus. Now simply traverse it, right? So if mp dot contains key, which key? I'm talking about every key. If it is contained, it means we are checking if it is present in the map or not. If it is present, then we have to increase the frequency of that particular character. So in C++ it is easy, but in Java we have to do something like that. S dot mp dot get s dot character I press and else just copy this, paste it here, remove this part and place it by one. Now you have to traverse the map. How we can traverse the map? So map dot entry. So let me check how we can do. Yeah, entry, then mp dot entry set. Okay, so that's how we can do it. Map dot entry set, not entry set. Here we have to provide the, let's say, character and integer and let's say info, or we can say k. In the k I will store these values. Here we have to say mp dot entry set, and we have to check if k dot get value is odd or is even. If it is even, we have to do count plus equals to 2, else count plus equals to 1. Let's create the count, int count equals to 0, and in the end just return the value of count. Where I'm doing the mistake, map dot entry, character integer. I have done something wrong. Oh, sorry. Actually, the thing we can, like, these type of mistakes are common, and don't take tension for these mistakes. So first of all, try to create the logic properly. Try to think logically, and that try to think in a better way, right? So yeah, the code is accepted, and you can see the code is looking good. So that's how you can solve this question. So yeah, I know I have missed one question and I have solved it. So in the next video I will upload that video. I will solve that particular question. So thank you for this video. Please like.